It frees up a tremendous amount of time and mental energy, which, as you can imagine, is a game changer for busy entrepreneurs.
That word sustainably comes up in the source material too. What does that look like in action when we're talking about automation and CRM?
It's about building a business that doesn't require you to be working 24/7 to keep up.
Right?
It's about working smarter, not harder, which is something we can all get behind. By automating routine tasks and streamlining your processes, you can manage growth without burning yourself out.
Okay, this is all starting to make a lot of sense. But even with all this amazing technology, isn't there a risk of losing that personal touch that's so important for building strong customer relationships?
That's such a great question. And it's something a lot of people worry about. But here's the thing. CRM isn't about replacing human connection. It's about enhancing it. The source material actually has a great example of this, talking about AI and data analysis.
Right. That part initially threw me for a loop. It seemed counterintuitive that something as seemingly impersonal as AI could actually make things more personal. So it's not about replacing, like you were saying, it's not about replacing that human element, but more like, okay, how can we use these tools to actually enhance those relationships?
Right.
It's about working smarter, not harder, which I think is a mantra for like every entrepreneur, right?
Absolutely.
So instead of just jumping into the deep end of CRM software, you're saying we need to start by figuring out what we're actually trying to achieve.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. It's like that saying, you can't manage what you don't measure.
Exactly. And speaking of measuring, one of the biggest benefits of CRM is its ability to track key metrics. Remember how we were talking about the customer journey?
Yeah, with a CRM, you can actually see how people are moving through that journey, identify any bottlenecks or drop-off points, and make adjustments along the way.
So it's not just about organizing your contacts and sending automated emails. It's about having a bird's eye view of your entire customer experience.
Yes.
And using data to make informed decisions. I'm starting to see how powerful this could be. But for our listener who's ready to take that first step, what would you recommend?